Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to compile and run Java program without using any IDE. Back then when we were learning Java, we did not have the luxury of using IDE. We used to write the programs in Notepad and compile and then execute it. So if you're just curious and would like to know, then this video is for you. Okay, so let's get started. So this is what we are going to do. We'll download the latest version of Java and try to compile and run the program. Okay, so let me open the browser. Okay, so you can go to Oracle website and you can download the latest version based on your operating system. On my system, I have already downloaded Java. Okay, so you can go to Oracle website and download the latest version of Java, download it and install it. Then after that, just open Notepad and let's write a very simple hello world program here. So we'll start with class. Okay, so that's it. When you run this program, it's just going to print hello world on the screen. Now let me save this file. Okay, just go to the path where you would like to save this file and just make sure that your file name matches with that of the class name. And make sure that you select all files for save as type and save this file. Okay, now open command prompt. I'm going to run this as administrator. Now go to the path where you have saved your file. Here you can see my file is present. Now let's try to compile this. To compile, you can use Java C command and then the file name. You might see an error message saying Java C is not a recognized command. So basically what it's trying to do is to find this compiler, Java C compiler in this path, in the current folder path, and since it could not find it, we are getting this error. So what we have to do now is to set path to the location where Java C compiler is present so that the compiler could be found when we try to compile the program. Okay, let's do that. When you install Java, it would have been installed in program files, or go to the location where you have installed Java. If you have followed the default instructions, then you should find it under program files. Okay, so here under Java, you should be able to find the version that you have downloaded. In my system, I have two different versions of Java, JDK 11 and 1.8. I'm going to use JDK 1.8. So I'll just open this. Under this, you should see this bin folder. And here you can see Java C compiler. Right? Now, let's take this path. Now here, execute this command, set path is equal to percentage path percentage semicolon, and then the path of the compiler. You can give percentage path percentage if you want to retain the paths to any existing programs or compilers, and on top of that you can set a new path, just like how we did here. Now press enter. Okay, so now the path is set. Now let's try to compile the program again. Okay, so if you don't see any error, that means it's been compiled successfully, and you can verify that. Okay, so if you go to your folder where the file has been saved, you can see a new file has been created, the dot class extension. This file has the compiled code. Now let's see how to execute it. To execute, you can use Java command and then just type the class name without any extension. Now just press enter. Okay, so you can see the output over here. Quite simple, right? Okay, so that's it for today. See you in the next video.